If you're like me, finding space in a small garden, any garden, is a challenge. So come with me and we're going to do this experiment together. Basically, it's planting edible peas like these that I found from Renee's garden in these hanging baskets. And right now in the hanging baskets I've got nasturtiums growing, and they're also a hanging basket nasturtium from Renee's garden. So let's give this a try. This is not professional. We're just gonna plant with one hand and hold the phone with the other. So let's do this. So here's that packet again, and this is my first time trying these. I'll put a link in the description below so you can find them also and give them a try. And hey, let me know in the comments so we can all share and learn together. So when I turn the seed packet over, and by the way, Renee's got great descriptions, these little flaps on the back of her seed packets. Short, graceful snack hero snap peas are perfect for growing in hanging baskets, window boxes, and pots. All right, so now it says planting depth is 1 inch and space is 3 inches apart. Okay, here we go. This is the balancing act. I'll show you. So in this pot you see here, which is about 12 inches across, I've already got 2 nasturtium plants going. So I figure, maybe 4 seeds will fit in here just fine. I'll put 2 on each side. Just poke them down about 1 inch. That's all they need, just like that. We'll turn this around a little bit. There we go. Sound effects are great. There we go. You might hear that squeaky fan in the background. Sorry about that. Now I'm going to give them a little drink of water. Now this isn't just any old water. This is a combination of willow water and comfrey water, both of which have compounds and hormones to help with plant growth, but not too much. What I don't want to do is add a nitrogen-rich feeding solution to these peas and nasturtiums, because I mean something like fish fertilizer or that kind of thing, because or even compost, too much compost, because we would just get big leaves and no flowers and no peas. So there you go. Follow me along and we'll see how this works out. And meanwhile, keep your hands in the dirt and your eyes on the stars. Have a great day. Cheers.